Welcome to this course on mastering video editing with Davinci Resolve, your gateway to becoming a proficient video editor. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashid, a lecturer, a speaker, and an avid content creator. I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive world of video editing using Davinci Resolve. Starting with the basics, I'll walk you through the seamless process of downloading and installing Davinci Resolve on your desktop. We'll learn how to create an account and provide an in-depth overview of the platform's features. You'll learn the intricacies of importing and managing media and discover how to record videos directly with Davinci Resolve. We'll learn the most fundamental video editing techniques to set the foundation for your creative exploration. We'll also cover from text and color grading to transitions, music, and stock visuals. I will guide you through the basics of adding dynamic elements to elevate your visual appeal of your videos. In this course, we'll unlock the magic of captions. We'll also touch briefly on advanced editing techniques using keyframes and acquire skills in removing backgrounds from videos and photos. Now, by the end of this course, you will learn how to export your creations in different formats and confidently publish them across various platforms. The only requirement for this course is a computer, a stable internet connection, the Davinci Resolve software, and your willingness to learn something. I want to sincerely express my gratitude for joining me on this educational journey. I'm looking forward to our first lesson, where we will delve into the exciting world of Davinci Resolve video editing.